how to remove the Matrix rowing machine cover. Now this is the cover. It has a screws on both sides, one down here and one up here. Okay, the screws are relatively small. You need to remove them on both sides, so one here, and you can see here you can use a flip screwdrivers or a flathead, and there is another one down here. And so if we go all the way back, you can see this one right here on my fingers. Just one right here you need to remove. Okay, so you need to remove the screws on this side as well, and down here as well. Now at the top here there is also another screws. Okay, just back here. So one more screws at the back here as well. Okay, so you need to remove one screws here as well. Okay, so once you remove the 3 screws, this part should just come off. You just remove the cover, and that's what it looks like on the inside of the Matrix rowing machine. Now on the inside we can inspect the various different components inside the rowing machine. Sometimes if you need to replace this cable, you can do so as well. So you can have a look on the inside here of what it looks like. Okay, so here you see I've removed the cover on the other side as well, and this is what it looks like on this side. It's got some grease here, and there's some grease falling down to the side here, so it needs to be put back onto this. And here we have the board controller for the machine. You got the capacity and resistor, and that's it. So that's everything inside this rowing machine. If you open it, this is what you can expect to see. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.